let's look into the adventures of Talinocel, Bobocel, and Manonggard. So again, that is Talinocel, Bobocel, and Manonggard. So just a disclaimer, this is not my original story. I really tried to search where is the original content, but there are various narratives to this. And this is credits to Dr. Monsada as he's the one who taught us this one po. So this is just an illustration and let's proceed. So there are three brothers. They all originated from the stem cell, from the bone marrow. We have Talinocel. Yan itsura niya, no? Si Talinocel, talino nga, no? So siya ay smart, hardworking, and dreams to be a general. Si Talinocel, that is our T lymphocytes, ha? For Bobocel, our B lymphocytes, ayan ang itsura niya, no? Tulog. So our Bobocel is batugan, lazy, always sleeping. And sa dream niya, hindi natin alam kasi nga baka batugan nga po kasi siya, no? And then they have their other brother, si Manonggard. Ang pangarap niya ay maging Manonggard, no? Later on, siya ay magiging macrophages, no, from being monocyte. Si Talinocel, nag-enroll siya sa Thymus University. Ayan, no? So, Thymus University because our T lymphocytes are from the thymus. Okay. The Thymus University, that is the training grounds and hardest university yan with only 10% passing rate. Anong laman ng syllabus nila? Ang bacteria daw, kill. Ang ACH, acetylcholine, kaibigan, don't kill. Ang joints, friend, don't kill din. And the heart is also friend, so don't kill. No? Yan yung kanilang syllabus. If they fail at Thymus University, they will undergo what we call apoptosis, no? Or programmed cell death. Okay, hindi ako nakapasa. Okay, apoptosis. Ganun po, no? So, since ganito nga kahirap sa Thymus University, there are students who decide that they will just cheat. However, yung mga nag-cheat na estudyante, ganitong ginawa. They saw an ACH, they treat it as kaaway, they kill it. Joints, kaaway, kill. And heart, they also see it as kaaway, so kill din po. So this is like the basis of our autoimmune diseases. So for example, if ACH ay pinatay, myasthenia gravis. If joints, pinatay, rheumatoid arthritis. If heart, pinatay, no, rheumatic heart disease. Yan. So, si Talinocel, since matalino nga siya, no, our T lymphocyte becomes a leader. Okay, so si Talinocel, he was able to graduate and become a general. Natupad niya yung kanyang pangarap. How about Manonggard? Si Manonggard gets stationed at Zambales, no, naging macrophage siya. Manonggard talaga siya. Lagyan natin siya ng itsura, no, si Manonggard, yan, ito na lang siya. Lagyan natin ng baton. Okay. Si Manonggard, while being in Zambales, he saw a foreign invader. So, this is our bacteria. Sabi niya, ay, may foreign invader. Kaya anong ginawa niya? Si Manonggard bilang guard, no? Pinugutan niya ng ulo kasi kailangan niya pong maipakita yung ulo. Kanino? Kay Talinocel. So, our macrophages, they are antigen-presenting cells. So, pinakita niya. Pero si Talinocel sabi nagalit, no? Macrophage, Manonggard, hindi ka sumaludo. Ang saludo kasi with antigen-presenting cells is the presence of IL-1 or interleukins 1. So, sabi ni Manonggard, IL-1. Nung sumaludo na, sabi ni Talinocel, okay, we will mobilize the AFP, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, to counter this foreign invader. The salute is interleukins 2. So, IL-2. Ayan. Nung sumaludo, ayan na po, dumating na ang mga historians. So, historians natin, these are our memory T cells. Red Cross, these are our suppressor T cells, and they make sure that no civilian will get harmed. Next is the Marines, our cytotoxic T cells. Okay. However, sabi ng Marines, yan, teka, lagyan natin ng drawing. Ito yung mga Marines na, anong sabi nila? Sir General T cell or Talinocel, hindi po namin kaya labanan ang invaders na ito kasi foreign sila, no? Lokal lang po ang kaya namin. So, locally, the cytotoxic T cells can fight virus-infected cells. In our case, mga NPA, no? Tumor cells, so ang mga MILF. And transplanted cells, our Abu Sayyaf, no, in the story. Okay, so tatlong lokal kaya nila. So, sabi ni Talinocel, nako, kanino ako hihingi ng tulong ngayon? Okay, naalala niya tuloy yung kanyang kapatid. Okay, sino? Okay, sabi niya, si Bobocel. So, kinontak niya ngayon si Bobocell, no? Tinext, no reply. That is IL-4. Tinawagan, no reply. IL-5. So, pinuntahan niya na lang sa bahay, which is saan? Saan siya nanatili? Saan makikita ang B lymphocytes? Sa bone marrow. Okay? So, ayan na nga, no? After 3 tries, si Bobocell or B lymphocyte ay nagising na. Okay, just woke up, sorry, sabi niya. So, need kasi niya ng 3 signaling cytokines. So, IL-4, IL-5, and IL-6, no? Para nga po, no, mula sa bone marrow siya ay kumilos na. Okay, so si Bobocell, no, our B lymphocytes, finally goes to work. Ayan, so redemption era na niya po. So, ano ang ginagawa ni Bobocell? So, si Bobocell po ay nagiging plasma cell and memory B cell. The plasma cell produces your gamete, IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE, and IgD, and the AGAB complex nga po, no, to mark the antigen. So, for example, ayan, no, so nakikita nila saan ang invaders. O, ito, enemy, no. But our plasma cell, it's like a Filipino action star. So, sa 1 million invaders versus 1 million Filipino action star, ano pong ginagawa niya? Baratatatata lang, no? Baril lang siya ng baril. So, they weren't able to hit the vital organs but only able to mark, no? So, kumbaga, no, sa Filipino action star, daplis lang ng bala sa mga katawan. Okay? That is the marking again. Okay? So, si Talino cell, no, our T lymphocytes, so soldiers are still alive. Nakita niya that the foreign invaders are still alive. So, they release the ASCAs, no? The complement proteins from the complement system. This is to kill those that are already marked, mga duguan na. Okay? Because our complement system, they complement the actions of the immune system. Parang yung police at yung K9. What happens after? No? The foreign invaders are now successfully killed, no, by our soldiers. The war is won. Okay? Through what processes again? We have the initial signals, the activated cell formation, and long-term memory formation.